Oxidization starts in situ in steel. Watch as we illustrate the oxidizing blossom process in this cross-sectional animation. Oxygen and water combine to react steel, starting the oxide blossom process within the steel bar. Here we see the oxidizing process expand towards the surface. Surface blossom of oxidization or rust. Once the surface begins to oxide, we have more oxygen available, forcing greater reaction and expansion across the surface. This formation is commonly called surface rust. Spray, brush, or roll on ProSeal RC850. ProSeal RC850 begins to penetrate the oxidization pathway, migrating into the origin point of the oxidizing reaction. Fully encapsulated, stopping the opportunity for oxidization process to advance. Here we have ferrous iron rebar that has oxidized. This reaction is commonly referred to as red oxide or rust. We are going to treat this rebar with, first, ProSeal RC850 to revert the oxidized or rusting process and to prime the surface for coating. Second, we will coat the changed rebar with ProSeal NanoSeal to protect the ferrous steel from further oxidizing or rusting. The application of ProSeal RC850 is simple and easy. Brush, roll on, or spray on. Here we will brush it on the surface at a coverage rate of up to 850 square feet per gallon. As the ProSeal RC850 reacts, you will note with the reversion process the ferrous iron darkens. As the ProSeal RC850 begins to complete the reversion, the residual surface RC850 begins to cure into a hardened primer. Here we see the reverted, cured, and hardened process completed. After ProSeal RC850 completes its reversion process and cures, we can now coat the reverted primed steel with paint, epoxy, other coatings, or ProSeal NanoSeal for long life cycle protection. ProSeal NanoSeal is a pretreatment for new steel to prevent oxidization and a post-RC850 treatment. ProSeal NanoSeal is an easy brush-on, roll-on, or spray-on application. Allow it to cure to a clear, protective barrier. For long-lasting rust reversion and long life cycle protection, ProSeal RC850 and ProSeal NanoSeal pack a 1-2 knockout punch.